Today I'll be looking at a product from Malco. It's their complete wheel and tire cleaner. I'm just showing off the wheel and tire before I've done anything at all to it. And it is recommended that you use this product straight, but I have had success using it diluted 1-to-1. This is what the bottle looks like. I'll have a link in the bio if you want to purchase some. I'm just going to wet the tire first and then start spraying liberally. You can see that as soon as I spray it on the tire, it's already browning, which is a good sign. I will be scrubbing only the top part of the tire just to see if there's any real difference. Now I'll be spraying liberally in and on the wheel. It is hard to see on video, but this wheel did have a lot of caked on stains. All of the little stains that were in the spokes are now completely gone, at least in the spots that I did hit. You can see behind some of the spokes I didn't really hit very well. The tire looks good, but of course it's wet. I'm about to show you what it looks like dry. Here's the dry wheel and tire. As you can see, the top part of the tire looks great. The bottom part where I did no scrubbing, it doesn't really look super good. It does look better than when we started, but not as good as the top. Here's the next wheel. I'm going to be seeing how the product works whenever you just spray on and then rinse off. Again, not an insanely dirty wheel. It's mostly just heavy brake dust. Tire, a little bit of mud on it, but nothing insane. I didn't want to have any cuts, so I did speed this footage up. So you can see right here, this is a spot that I either did not spray very well or did not rinse very well. There's a couple spots on here, but overall, for not touching it at all, I think that this did excellent. There's a lot more that can be done with this product, so if you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments.